This is Snapper or the Clapper? It's like the Snapper or the Clapper.
I'm scraping my knee.
Joe's go on.
He got fired from his previous job at the calendar factory for taking a couple days off. Let's hear it for Cliff.
Did you seriously manage to find a way to speed up the intro? That sounded like it talked faster.
When he gets cold, he likes to stand in the corner because it's 90 degrees. Let's hear it for Nick.
He does all the time.
I was just seeing if someone had an umbrella, I was going to steal it.
What?
I was seeing if someone had an umbrella, I was going to steal it. Alright.
If they had an umbrella, don't you think they'd be using it?
No. They have tarp.
Made of mesh.
Oh, perfect. Thanks. Brings out my eyes. I'm normally more of a winter, but this will do. Alright. So, find somebody to help out. It's not.
Hey, this matches my sunglasses. I don't want
Right there.
What's your name? Emma? Come on up, Emma.
Alright.
Try not to slip.
Emma, we have a very simple job for you, okay? And we're gonna have to be quick, because the storm's coming.
Oh, it's slippery at the bottom.
Okay.
Nope, still slippery.
So, he's gonna attempt to do a magic trick. What I want you to do is if he tells the truth, say yes. If he lies, say no. Pay attention.
Be sure to nod up and down and shake your head so the people in the back can see you, okay? Got that? Alright, awesome. Benedict, the egg goes into the bag.
Benedict?
Yeah, Benedict the egg.
You named the egg.
Yes.
You know,
Hey, shut up. We're doing the show.
can you hold off for the next 10 minutes, please?
You mind?
Rude. Alright, go ahead. Quickly before you injure her.
Benedict goes in the bag. Can you see that he's in the bag? Awesome. Can you feel that he's in the bag? Awesome. Now, if I was to throw Benedict at Cliff, do you think Cliff could catch him?
I'm holding an umbrella. No.
You got another hand. You can hold out your hat. And your hat can be used as a pocket.
Fine.
You ready?
You literally just wanted me to stick the hat like this so it collects water, didn't you?
No.
Where's the egg?
Oh, he disappeared. Check it out. The bag's
Check the
empty.
bag.
Is the bag empty?
Oh. All right, no egg. Have you ever done magic before? Nick is going to teach you how to make the egg reappear. He didn't know he was going to do it until now, but I said so, so it's going to happen. Then you and I will make it vanish, and then you'll make it reappear in front of everyone, and we'll call that our big finale so we can avoid any more rain. Right now, you know, it's raining, but it'll feel like it's dry because you're under the umbrella. And if that sounded ridiculous, now you know how the weather channel sounds. It's 98, but feels like 100. Then it's 100.
All right, you ready? See these fingers holding this weekend's ass. I get a piece of roasty pizza. No, wait, there's no egg, right? Awesome, like your left hand hold the regular this way into the air, catch in the bag, show your hand empty, reach in the bag and show the egg. That's simple.
All right, you hold this.
No problem.
I'll hold that. We'll do this. Hey, goes into the bag. Can you feel it's still there? Thank you. Without your moral support,
Where would we be?
okay, you ready? So go.
Hiding.
Reach into the bag and pull the bottom inside out.
Hey, you on the phone? Watching you. This isn't even a Pokestop. What are you doing?
No egg. No egg. So now you are going to do the make it appear part. Don't get so excited, okay? Just tell me. Okay? You hold the bag like this. 2 fingers in, thumbs on the outside. 2 fingers in, thumb on the outside. Pinch. 2 fingers in, thumb on the outside. Pinch.
Nick's having way too much fun.
All right, you stand under the umbrella. All right, are you ready? Take a quick peek inside the bag. Do you see an egg? No. Let go with this hand. This one, let go.
Yep.
Good. Hold it up. Show it's empty.
I'm at the hand.
Hold this out in front of you. Perfect. Pretend to grab an invisible egg with this hand. Just
Make a C with your
yeah,
hand.
perfect. Toss it straight up into the air. Now hold this hand out and make it look like it falls into the bag like this. Show this hand is empty. Reach into the bag with the empty hand. Reach into the bag with the empty hand. If you grab the hand that holds the bag, reach into the hand with the empty bag. Pull out the egg.
Reach into the hand with the empty bag.
Reach into the.
Were we just like not gonna put that together?
Quiet. And then all she has to do is find the egg. So, no, you gotta grab the egg. When did you?
You're fired.
You did an awesome job. High five. Ladies and gentlemen, try to stay dry. Thank you for joining us for the very shortened version of the show. Hopefully the rain will lighten up. You can see the full version. We have 2. We're supposed to have 2. Stop it! 2 shows left.
That's waterworks.
It's Sunday.
We're supposed to have
We
one
have to
show
get
left.
this back. What do you mean 1 show?
5:30.
Oh, sweet. 1 show left. So hopefully the rain will be lighting up. Yeah, how does it feel? Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. Enjoy the rest of your stay here at Six Flags Great Adventure.
Hey, come here. Hey, come here.
All right. No, Mom. No.
Simba.
Simba.
Oh, Biggity.